Hello and welcome to the Trade Ideas Market Recap for Tuesday, December the 23rd. My name is Barry Anderson. I'm the moderator of the room. This is the address to get into the room, and you can log in with your Facebook or your Twitter account. Probably be a quick video today. Wasn't too exciting. This was my best trade of the day, and it really wasn't that great. It was well, actually, I guess Walgreen was a better trade, but this I held on for most of the day. Looks like I should have still held it, but at any rate, tomorrow is going to be a half day. I'm not 100% sure I'll be trading. I really don't like trading half days, but we'll see. So this one came from the swing strategies. I had to do a history because I reloaded trade ideas. So when you do that, you lose everything you had before. And oh well, I call the alerts. And so I got BBT at 949, 39.10. So right around here, I took the trade at 39.14. Now, again, this was a 5-day swing strategy trade. Now, I wasn't 100% sure I was going to keep it for 5 days, but a lot of them I've been using for just day trading. But I'd said that if it broke through the whole number, I was probably going to get out of it, and it held the whole number, 3902. Excuse me. And then for a long time, it just kind of consolidated in this area. It popped up through here, a long time of consolidation through here, a little bit of a pop here. You can see it didn't really do that much. And I'd said that if it got down to 39.30, I would exit, and that's what I did. So, nothing, no great shakes, 39.14 to 39.30. But after this point, it was relatively stress-free. The second trade was OCN. OCN did not work. OCN was, if you were in the room yesterday, this was a really tough one to trade, very all over the place. Again, really bad continued weakness all the way down to 1279. Now it's had a big rebound, and I did not partake in this, but we tried to get in here. Got in at 1362, little consolidation here, took the pop, but the minute it started fading, I exited 1354. And that's a good exit because I certainly would have got out. Here's the low of 1326. It's just that this is um, so erratic right now. Now it doesn't look so bad right now, to be honest with you. But I mean, yesterday it was very erratic, and today it was kind of jumping all over the place. So at least in this area. So conservative trader, I just decided I did not need the hassle of trying to figure out when it was going to finally bounce. Now, the next one was Walgreen, and Walgreen, that was a pretty good trade actually. Walgreen had earnings, and it's up 270 at this level. It popped down earlier on in the morning, but then as it rebounded and regained strength, right here probably is where I should have taken it, obviously. But I still watched it, and when it made it over the whole number, I mean, that's one of my favorite things is to take a stock over the whole number. When it made it over the whole number, right here, I took the trade at 76.18, and this was a nice quick trade. Less than 20 minutes. I took out half at 76.79 right there, and as it started falling down here, I took the rest out at 76.71. So a nice quick trade. Those are the types I like. I notice, and it's been choppy. Yeah, it's over where I bought it. Quite a bit over now. And there's some school of thought that says, on these earning plays, and I actually mentioned in the pre-market there were very, very few earnings plays, so this was one that was probably going to attract most of the attention for the day. And so, if you feel comfortable doing something like this, take fewer shares and just hold on for a long time and see if it just has this sort of a day in which it's strong for most of the day, especially once it put in a bottom here. And the last one, now I'm going to go over a couple, well, just this one, VNTV. I don't even have it marked up. This was on a lifetime high. I've got my lifetime high alerts now, and you can see Walgreen is actually right here. And how I've done these is that I'll only take a look at a lifetime high if it's just above the whole number. And I tried one earlier, actually, let's just take a look at it, FISV. I did actually mark this up. I took it here, and in retrospect, I obviously should have scalped it. It got up to 73.27. I was in at 73.12. Would have not, nothing great, but on this bar here, I basically exited at my buy, so no loss there. And the other one, kind of the same thing, VNTV. Whoops, VNTV. Again, right above the whole number. I took the trade, I think, yeah, 35.03. It did pop up here. I was really hoping for one more pop. I was definitely going to scalp this because there just didn't seem to be very much follow through in these ones. But I didn't get it. And again, I exited. Again, I don't have it marked down, but I exited at my buy. So that was it. Not very exciting, but it is now the day before Christmas Eve, and you would expect things to be slowing down. And I expect tomorrow morning to be really, really slow. So I will be very particular. If I do trade, I'm going to be very particular about what I take. Again, I may not take anything. So if there is no video tomorrow, you'll know why. Okay. So again, quick video today. Thank you for watching. And if you do plan to trade Christmas Eve, I should be there. Okay. Bye-bye. Oh, again, let's just bring back the home page. Again, here's the address to get in, and you can log in with your Facebook or your Twitter account. Actually, people have asked me, you don't have to log in with your Facebook or Twitter account unless you actually want to post in the room. You can watch us, see what we're doing. If you don't want to post, you just have to go to the web address and this address, and you're going to see all the posts. But if you do want to post, say something, then you do have to log in with your Facebook or your Twitter account. Okay, hope to see you in the room tomorrow.